Hello, Billie the Artist here with a quick little thank you and update. Just want to say thank you because I have hit 50,000 subscribers on YouTube, which is just fantastic, and that's halfway to the 100,000. I am looking forward to getting to that point, and it would be fantastic to do that very, very quickly. And again, this is an update on, well, just saying thanks for that, but on the how to draw videos and what I've been doing and what's been going on and what the plans are for, because we are now into March 2021 and things have been pretty bonkers. So you can see there is a new canvas, but that's later. I have 3 of those planned already for this year. Next one, not going to tell you. Number 2 will be Jonathan Ray, 6 times world champion. I've done all the previous 5, so I've got to do number 6. And then I'm probably doing Joey Dunlop again from the TT. Here's his brother. This is the last oil painting that I did. This is Robert Dunlop. Check out the link in the cards for the time lapse for this. And you'll see this from start to finish. But this is about my how to draw videos for all you lovely people. I am now, hopefully for the rest of March, because it's been a little bit interesting, going to do a lot more how to draw videos, and I'm going to just spend the rest of March doing videos that I can then post every week for a long time. Now, I have been asked for many things, other singers, other Harry Potters, there has been Marvel, Star Wars, Lord of the Rings, Game of Thrones, all kinds of stuff, but I will be doing some Marvel characters. They are what I've been asked for over the last 2 years. Now again, my life is just very busy. So not only do I have to do this kind of work to pay the bills, we're also doing a lot with ill parents, basically. So in the current situation that has gripped the world, things have been a little bit more complex than usual, shall we say. Now, we can see our family. That's been a bonus. They are our bubble and all that kind of stuff. So that's been absolutely brilliant to be able to carry on helping and doing all that kind of stuff. But it's just more complex, which is why I've not been able to do things. So I've had to do my oil painting around everything else that we're sorting stuff out. And both me and my wife do stuff. She's a music teacher, she does stuff on YouTube as well. And again, there's been a huge change, a massive transition, even for her. New technology, she's had to get new machinery, so have I. So it's just been a huge learning curve in between doing our own work. She's very busy as a teacher. I have to fit this in. It's just very, very complex doing everything and caring as we go along. Now, if any of you are caring for relatives who have who knows what condition, there are so many things that afflict people. Bless you. Just love them, bless them, do what you can. That because we all experience, sadly, something like that in our lives. It could be a parent, a grandparent, a brother, a sister. You know, we've had a lot of things over the last few years in our family that are standard for so many people. So do bless and love and care for your family. That's the thing. But I am so thankful to get to 50,000 subscribers, and I will be doing more of these guys. Do check out, again, the links are in the cards and the descriptions, the various portrait videos. On the Harry Potter front, there will be Neville Longbottom and Cedric. Those are 2 that I want to do. I have got to do Fred and George Weasley. I've just got to do them. Now, there are others as well that have been asked for, but they are the ones that I am planning on doing in this next batch. More singers, that'll be great to do. There's so many that I can do. I'm not even going to name the ones that I'm going to do or I'm planning to do. I'm constantly asked for many. I can't do all. It's a joy to be able to do these lessons. But on the Marvel, I've got to do the Marvel stuff. I've been asked so many times for Iron Man, Spider-Man, all kinds of stuff. And then there's the DC universe as well. There's Star Wars. I have an absolute shed load. So I am going to do some. And remember, I do this for fun. I love encouraging you all. And again, I've had a brilliant amount of comments that have come back. I'm going to start putting up comments, videos about what goes on. But I also put up your drawings of these as well. Use the hashtag Drawing with Billie, or just tag me on Instagram. Again, there's a banner that turns up in this video. I put it in the description where my Instagram is. People tag me, and then I take those drawings that you have done and I put them in slideshows. I have done 2. I've got 3 and 4 already done. They will be coming up soon. Number 5, I am probably a third to halfway collecting people's images. It's an absolute pleasure and joy. So do tag me and share those images, and I will put more and more of the slideshows up, because it's fantastic to do this and encourage you. Anyway, it's a pleasure and a joy to talk to you all again, and I will be putting more videos up. I am working on them. Do follow me on social media and you'll see roughly what I'm working on. I'll post updates and bits and pieces, so you'll see what's coming well into the future. Anyway, thank you so much again, and please do like and subscribe, share all the videos, because again, it'd be fantastic to hit that 100,000. Anyway, thanks so much. Have a great time with your drawing, and I'll see you in the next video. Ta-da.